best Upwork promo codes. Open any of the browser, open this up, upwork.wordspenny.com. If you search this, it will take you to this website here where you can get Upwork.com promo codes and discount codes. Here you will see free gifts, 20% off, 10% off, sales, and many more. And this offer, 70% off. Upwork connects. So let's move on to the second website, which is upwork.valuecom.com. Search it here. You will get plus 40 coupon codes up to 90% off and all items that you can easily use. So let's move on to the third and last website, which will help you to get best coupon codes for Upwork. Search for dealspotter.com/promo codes/upwork.com. Search it. So here it is. It's showing current month's offers, and here's a list of coupon codes and discount codes for upwork.com. So that's how you can get the best Upwork promo codes in just few steps. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.